Got him. Oh, hey, what's up? Corey here, back with It Was All a Brew. Today we're going to talk about 3 fun facts about 3 sons. Well, the obvious, 3 sons, where does the name come from? Well, I have 3 sons, mom and dad. Mom named the brewery, that's another fun fact. But fun fact number 2, we're a Bills backers bar. All my Bills Mafia, you know what's up. And fun fact number 3 would be we won on Rate Beer, best new brewery in the world, a month before we opened the brewery. So that's crazy. But yes, 3 fun facts.